What's up, guys? My name is Cody Hutchin, and I have the pleasure of co-hosting Replace Your Mortgage Live, which is an event that we do semi-often where we host awesome folks just like you and teach you guys how to pay off your home way faster than the average American is positioned to do so. In fact, our average client is positioned to pay their home off in an average of 5 to 7 years and save thousands of dollars in the process while holding on to their cash along the way. And one of the things that we go into on this event is what I call the financial blind spot. This is the biggest financial blind spot that I see anybody have in today's society. I'll even ask you a question while you're listening, right? Why did you choose the mortgage that you have right now? Or if you don't have a mortgage and you're in the, shopping around, if you were going to purchase a home, what would be the number one factor that you used to select that mortgage? If you said interest rate, monthly payment, does it fit in my budget, right? Any sort of combination of those answers, you, my friend, have a financial blind spot. Because interest rate does not actually dictate how much interest you are going to pay back over the life of your loan. Your interest rate only tells you essentially what your monthly payment is. It tells you where the interest starts, but it does not tell you your rate of interest. It's very different than interest rate, right? There's actually another percentage on the loan estimate actually that tells you what your rate of interest is or what your total cost is over the life of the loan. I encourage you to look it up. Look into your loan estimate if you've already signed your disclosures and signed all your paperwork. It's usually around page 3. Of your loan estimate, and it's called TIP, T-I-P, total interest percentage. And that is going to give you the percentage over the life of the loan. You make every payment on time for 360 months. If you're in a 30-year mortgage, then you're going to pay X amount in interest. And if you're anybody like the average homeowner today, I believe as of today, the average rate is around 6.5% interest rate, you will be paying over 100% tip. So what that means is if you make every payment on time for 30 years, you never refinance, by the way, which the average American refinances every 3 to 5 years, starting over that clock. But let's just say you never do that. Then for 360 payments, you will pay more in interest than you do the value or the balance of the home that you financed. You'll be literally giving the bank or buying the bank a better home than the one you've purchased for yourself. So to give really easy numbers, let's just say you bought a $500,000 home. Well, if it's 100% tip, that means you're going to pay an additional $500,000 in interest, right? Totaling up $1 million in total payments. $500 to pay off the balance, $500 to pay the bank in interest. So I'd ask you, how is that 6.5%? How is $500,000 in interest, borrowing against $500,000 principal, how is that 6.5%? It doesn't make much sense. That is the product of an amortized mortgage, an amortized loan. The interest becomes extremely complex and it's front-loaded with interest. And so the most expensive payments that you are making are on the front side, which I mentioned earlier. If the average American refinances every 3 to 5 years, what does that do for the banking industry? Keeps you locked into a low principal, high interest payment where you're just funneling money to the bank and into their coffers and not into you and your families. And so this is what I call, again, the biggest financial blind spot that most people come in with is this understanding or belief that interest rate is the most important thing. Don't get me wrong, it's somewhat important, but for our clients, it becomes literally the least important or least effective piece of paying off their home in a fraction of the time that they're positioned to. Many of our clients become interest rate immune within this strategy. We talk a little bit about that on the event, but point is, guys, is we teach people, just like in this video, the reality and the real facts behind the mortgage that you signed, and essentially how to get out of that, right? Because you have to understand what you signed up for or what you're looking to sign up for in order to really understand, is this going to be an effective tool or product for me to consume? Because each one of you guys have goals. Each one of you guys have a future that you are building towards. And you have to ask yourself the question, does this path help me get to where I want to go? Well, on this event, you may discover another path that leads to a different potential future for you. And that's what we aim to do. So if you want to buy a ticket, it's $7. You can do so in the link below. And we would love to see you there. We have a great time. And also, if you have any questions, go ahead and throw a comment in on this video. We respond to all questions, all comments. So please feel free to interact with us there. And then also, don't forget to subscribe for future videos. And we would love to have you on this journey. So if you're there, if you end up buying a ticket, we thank you guys. 100% goes to ministry. And we will see you on the next Replace Your Mortgage Live. Take care. God bless.